Braun MultiServe coffee machine. 7 programmable brew sizes, 3 strengths plus iced coffee and hot water for tea. Glass carafe, 10 cup, stainless black, KF 9150 BK. Exact Brew System. The Exact Brew System delivers consistent optimal brewing performance in every cup, automatically calculating the precise water flow temperature and speed for every coffee preference. Brew Choice Plus Customize your coffee to your liking with the over ice light gold or bold setting with the touch of a button. Fast Brew Exclusive heating technology delivers a full pot of coffee in under 8 minutes without sacrificing taste. Temp Sensor System. 3 sensors closely monitor temperatures throughout the brewing process to achieve SCA brewing standards quickly and keep coffee at the perfect temperature. Specialty Coffee Association Golden Cup SCA certification ensures optimal brewing performance to great tasting drip coffee with every brew. Multi-serve dial. Choose your ideal brewing size from a pod-free single cup direct served into a travel mug to a full carafe with a simple turn of a dial. Freshness indicator. Always know your brewed coffee is fresh with the visible display. Internal water spout. A separate yet built-in water outlet also lets you enjoy hot tea anytime without worry of residual coffee flavor. Unique carafe design. The long narrow shape of the carafe traps moisture, preventing a bitter coffee taste from developing. Included components: 10 cup glass carafe. Hot surface indicator. Light. A hot surface indicator light below the hot plate will remain lit until the hot plate cools down. This light will stay illuminated when the surface is hot, even when the unit is powered off. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.